G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which mine. Rules in millimetres. Materials weighted to help highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. We'll just go in a bit closer so you can get a better look. A lot of these pieces are faces. Others have been ground down, and like this piece has got patches of colour. Pieces like this that are just been blocked out and left. Whether that'll come out or not, I don't know. Whether that'd face or not, it's very thin. Take a lot of skill. It might come off that corner. With a nice stone if it does. This is fairly thin, but a bit of careful grinding. Perhaps end up with a stone or two. Again, fairly fine piece. This side's a bit more colour. And then there's a fair few other bits here to look at. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.